Good morning to the madhouse. Welcome, Mr. Wonderful here, as usual. Right, I'm going to do a UK 1937 Threepenny bit. I remember these when I was a kid. Nip down the old sweet shop. God, what's threepence worth now? Worth nothing. Right, there she is. So let's go over to the lady in my life. It's wonderful, Big Bertha. She looks more sexy every day. She does something to me, Big Bertha. If you'd like to support my channel, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of this video. If you want to hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I try to do one every day. I try. If you want to check out my shop, there's a link in the description. But it's yourfingermyring.com. But there's a link in the description. You hit that, it'll take you straight there. Right. Let's go over to Christy Burr, my deburring tool. Okie dokie, there we go. Gold, it looks like gold. Gold member. Right. Let's show it some love. We could all do with more love. All you need is love. All you need is love, love. Love is all you need. I got another email yesterday from somebody saying that I should be more serious. Why? Why should I be more serious? I'm enjoying what I'm doing. I'm having fun. There's loads of serious people out there making coin rings. Go and check them out. I could not sit here and just be serious. Okay, now I want to fold it. This goes, no, it's not me, sorry. Right, we're going to have this sunny side up on the ring. 1937. This is a 17-degree folding die. Make sure it's level. I hope all my regulars are watching today. Gary, Sarah, Bear, Freebox, Alan, Steve. Where's my other thing? Paul from Australia. Why do I say it like that for? And Coin Silver 800. I appreciate you guys watching most of my videos, I really do. You could probably be doing better things than watching me. You could be down the pub having fun. I had fun once. It was a long time ago though, you know. Right, we just want to clean up that. It's looking a bit ropey. I don't know if this is going to fit over spike. The thing with these small coins is, a lot of them don't like spike. You have to give them a bit of the old one too. But let's show it a bit more love. I've got to do dinner after this. Tonight I'm making lasagna. I must admit, 30 years ago I never thought I'd be cooking dinners every night and making glass jewellery and making bloody coin rings. Being an electrical engineer, I thought that was it, you know. But One phone call changes your life and you go a different route. I mean, the way I look at it is you get one life, you know. Make the most of it. A bloody phone call changed my life. Right, is it going to fit? Oh, yes, just about. But I think I better give it a pump first. Otherwise it won't fit with kitchen roll on it. Right, let's show this a bit of love. This is Spike, my ring stretcher. Give it a bit of a turn each time. Stretches the ring equally all the way around. And the kitchen roll protects the inside of the coin, so you don't lose the detail. I just found somewhere that's selling these like desktop hydraulic presses. I mean, this big Bertha cost me, I don't know, 300 euros. And it's like 4 feet bloody tall. It's just too big. And it's not very good quality. It leaks a lot. And my girlfriend just found one. There's a place in just, well, 10 miles down the road from where we live, selling desktop ones, similar to what Gary's got, but obviously not handmade. I prefer one like he's got, but I think it's about 250, 10 ton press. So I want to try and sell mine. I don't know, just get rid of it, like 150 euros or 100. It's too big. It's too damn bloody big. Right, let's show a bit more love. But, I mean, if I get 100 for it, I'll be happy. It weighs a bloody ton. Right, that's good. Yeah, I do custom work. You can check out my shop. All the rings in there, I can adjust the size up or down. I don't just do rings, I do bracelets, earrings, loads of different stuff. Right, let's go over to Spike. The bottom end of Spike, these are reduction dies. There's a little bit there, not much, but we'll get what we can out of it. All the motorcycles are coming out now in Finland. They put them up for the winter. There was a nice 650 BSA for sale. I don't know if I mentioned this, and it was like a really good price, beautiful looking bike. 1962, 650 BSA golden flash. And I thought, yeah, okay, let's do it. Insurance, 1,400 euros. I mean, what? And that's for 6 months, because you can insure a bike here for 6 months. Because then you put it up in the winter. I thought, well, it ain't gonna, you know. I thought, well, I'll quite happily pay 600-700. 1,400. So I thought, well, I'll stick with that Citron. There you go. 150 bit. Right, let's break out Kate. She's looking gorgeous today. I quite fancy her today. She's looking rather gorgeous, sexy. I like these 50 bit rings. Bit more volume. Ouch, it's getting a bit warm. Right, let's chuck in Felton John. How does that look? Now that's the Edwin look, which I like. I do like the satin look. But let's polish it up a bit. And if you don't like the satin, the polished look, I can just run over it again with the one and only. Okay, and she should be okay. I do coat my coins because this is made of brass. And it would probably turn your finger green. I don't coat them until I've sold them, otherwise if you want it adjusted, I don't have to do it all again. Which ain't a big deal, but it's come up quite nice. Ouch! Bloody hell, that's hot. I burnt my fingers. Right, what we got? How's it looking? Is it looking sexy? That's what we want to know. Yes, it's looking pretty damn sexy, if you ask me. Yeah, I give all my coins a clear coat. But it doesn't last forever. It all depends how you wear your ring, if you keep it on all the time and, you know. But if it does start wearing off, you can always give it a bit of a top up with some clear nail varnish, which is very similar. But yeah, it's come up nice. What size we got? Got the Yankee Doodle Magic Wand today. And this is a size, this is a size 7.25, just over 7.25, nearly 7.5. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, I can do magic. And it fits that finger absolutely perfect. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you're having a great, safe day. And God willing, I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye-bye.